Hey guys, John with Jsquared. I just wanted to show you guys today a small little towel folding tip about presentation, both whether it be in a linen closet or if you're going to be hanging it onto a towel bar so that you get a nice visual display. So your towel can be folded in any section as far as halves. The important piece is to fold it into thirds and have the soft curve here facing forward when you put it into the cabinet. One of the things I learned, Occupied Consultation Specialist course with Bobby McGrath. So again, it's all about the appeal and how the mind processes. Much more appealing. That just gives that choppy cut line feel that your eye drives straight to and makes you focus on the towel versus just seeing the curve and just moving on. And I'll also show a little trick about how I fold towels that hang on the towel bar. You'll do a tri-fold, and if you have a band at the top and the bottom, either way, again, you want to be sure that the curve will be on the outside when the towel hangs, and you typically fold it like this. This is going to give it a little more body or volume, and then when it goes onto the towel bar, you'll put it like this, and it just gives that nice plush hotel feel.